Welcome to a new fragrance review. Today, we're gonna talk about the top 5 fragrance for fall. So today I'm in a different setup because I was gonna do that video for my French channel, and I was like, since I did all the setup, took all the fragrance to talk about that top 5 in French, maybe I should do the same video in English. So here's my 5 top fragrance for fall. You're gonna see that there's a little something that will come to be like not redundant, but there's a theme that I feel that really fits well in fall. For that you see that theme in a more obvious way. Number 5 is Stetson. What I like about it is that it's nice, powerful. It's a really great barbershop fragrance. If you like barbershop fragrance, you probably enjoy this fragrance. But there's a little something about this one in particular that smells like fall. And I just feel that it's great. I wanted to have like at least one barbershop fragrance in my top for fall, and I looked through all my barbershop fragrance, analyze which one will be the best, and I think this one is the best. So it's best barbershop fragrance for fall, if that's the type you enjoy. Number 4 is Red for Men by Giorgio Beverly Hills. And what's special about this fragrance, for me, it reminds me a lot of Dracar Noir. Just have less of that old school soapiness, more toward the oak moss. Has a bit more punch than Dracar Noir, a bit more intense. And overall, I feel that will be a great scent for fall, especially if you're a fan of old school fragrance. That's a good one. Number 3, Intense Dark Exclusive. And this fragrance is the best fragrance by Zara. It's even better than Rich Warm Addictive. A big difference in the fragrance is that it's a bit darker, a bit richer than Rich Warm Addictive. And instead of having some boozy vanilla note, it has tonka bean. It's really nice, really dark. It's a really great tobacco fragrance. And I think tobacco is great, an amazing note for fall. Number 2 is Vanille Débauche by Kai's Perfume. I was thinking to put other fragrance that are tobacco based. 2 fragrance that were rival to this one. Tobacco Vanille by Tom Ford, and this one smells somewhat similar but way better, and it's cheaper, so that made Tobacco Vanille lose its place. And there's also Velvet Teddy by MAC that is way more intense than this one, and still have similar scent profile, but Velvet Teddy is just too intense for fall, I think. So this one is the best. It's also the best tobacco fragrance for fall. That's just a beautiful scent. Vanilla, tobacco, dry fruits. It just smells like quality. Really nice blend and really nice fragrance. Before I go with number 1, I'm gonna say other honorable mention. As I said, a lot of tobacco fragrance deserve a place in great fragrance for fall. 2 that come to my mind right now is London by Burberry. Great tobacco fragrance. I just think the other one on the list are better. I could have probably done a whole list with just tobacco fragrance for fall, so that's why it's not on the list. It's a great scent. Another one that would be really good for fall is Tobacco and Tonka Bean by Banana Republic, which, again, great scent with tobacco, tonka bean. Personally, I think that Intense Dark Exclusive is better, but I would say if you don't like Zara and you like Banana Republic more, you should probably just get the one from Banana Republic, because they will be really interchangeable in a collection. And of course, they have their own thing, but it's still like tobacco tonka bean fragrance in both sides. It's just like stuff around it that's different. So now for number 1, it's Yatagan by Caron. And this scent is just amazing. It's my favorite scent for fall. It just has an amazing smell, oak, a bunch of animalic notes. For me, it just reminds me, but it incarnates fall, what fall is. The idea of, going in the wild, going hunting in the wood, stuff like that. Even though if you're not going hunting, still hunting season, fall. And I think that fragrance really incarnate that feeling of fall. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If it's the case, well, like and share. If you think another fragrance deserves #1 as best fall fragrance, just write it in the comment. I'll be really happy to hear from you. So, thanks for watching, and see you soon.